Alright, Hiratsuka. I've not been to Hiratsuka since my return to Japan trip in 2007. And I've come down here to meet an old friend, really, who's my Kumu Hula. And if you're not familiar with Kumu Hulas are the teachers of Hula. And many years ago, back in the early 90s, I used to dance and belonged to this halau called ʻŌpio Koʻolau, based out of Kaneohe. And for like 3 or 4, 5 years, that was pretty much what I was obsessed with. And eventually I became Uncle Michael's alakai, and that helped to train 6 to 12-year-old girls for competition. And it was really a great time. And so it's been a while since I've seen them last, and so I thought I'd come here. And they run a Hālau, a Japanese outlet of ʻŌpio Koʻolau. So just coming down for lunch and just to hang out a little bit. And is there a beach here? Shonan Hiratsuka. If I had known, I would have brought my board shorts. Lose money. Coffee. はい、どうぞ。
ブレンド、今日のコーヒーのおすすめがブレンドでよろしいですか。はい。豆の濃さは普通のレギュラーです。
レギュラー、yes。
はい。テイクアウトですね。
テイクアウト。
はい。
はいはい。
ミルクとシュガーは
の。
はい。はい、かしこまりました。
ありがとう。
はい。
スイカです。こちらのところで立っちゃう。はい、出ます。
お会計でございますか。はい、少々お待ちくださいませ。はい、お待ちください。ごめんなさい。先に伝票をお預かりいたします。少々お待ちくださいませ。お願いしてもいいですか。はい、ありがとうございます。こちらお貸しください。お支払いはカードですね。クレジットカードで360円。内容でした。よろしくお願いします。32、もうちょいです。ナウスが流れるまでしばらくお待ちくださいませ。大丈夫です。そのままお取りください。はい、お取りくださいませ。ではお待たせしました。レシートのお渡しでございます。はい、ありがとうございます。お名前が人数を書きの上、それでお待ちくださいませ。
As you can see, she's killing it, making drink after drink after drink. Like, I've made a lot of siphons, but this is really a siphonista, really just working it, managing, turning. She's got 5 units running. Oh no, 6. Ooh, that's pretty amazing. Now my coffee is ready.
暑いですけど大丈夫ですか。ごめんなさい、暑いです。ありがとうございます。お待たせしました。ありがとうございます。
This is one thing about siphon coffee. It's hot because it's really heating the entire time, where other brewing processes will cool down as it's brewing. The siphon is always under heat, so it's always hot. It comes out hotter than most people will expect. Definitely hotter than most people are used to. I mean, it smells a bit on the fierce side, defecty, maybe a little bit dirty. I probably should have gotten cream and sugar with it. Let's open up. Oh. Ooh. It's got a bit of a dirty aroma to it. Maybe from CBB damage to the beans. Oh, it's still super hot. Oh. Wow. Really bitter, harsh, lacking sweetness. Oh, this is coffee that you really do want to put cream and sugar. I probably should have accepted the cream and sugar. Wow. Mamma mia. I mean, the women certainly were amazing. Wonderful people. Amazing technique from the siphonista. It's just the coffee is just... could be so much better. I'm getting used to it a little bit, so it's not as harsh as it was at the beginning. Whew. Wow. Yeah, like if I had cream and sugar, quite a bit of each, that would be kind of enjoyable. My palate's getting used to it, so it's a little bit better. It's not as brutal, but man, the initial sips were brutal. If I was addicted to coffee, this is the kind of coffee I would probably be willing to drink. I just happened to walk by this Kurashiki coffee place and I saw the siphonistas, working their station. I was like, oh, that I gotta check out. I'm glad they didn't tell me not to record because I wanted to really capture true Japanese technique with the siphon. That was really exciting for me. Hopefully it's exciting for you. Uncle Michael, how are you?
Good to see you. Mama passed away.
I know. I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
How are you?
Oh, hanging in there. We're just hanging in there. Getting ready for hula competition. Udon is tea with shochu.
Udon hai. I dig it. It really is like...
Kali halal, yeah. The hula is one most innocent feelings, and that's how you accomplish your hula. It's true what you love and how you express yourself. And this is my mom and daddy. And this is my uniki paper from Uncle George. This is her birth. This is how she started hula. Okay, my mama's Iwasaki Yasuko. This is Mama Sensei. Yasuko Iwasaki Sensei. Kitejima Sensei. And then Mama Uniki. She graduated. And then she graduated from hula and she opened her own Hālau.